There is a long queue to enter this special Ramzan bazaar. Such temporary markets are set up across Pakistan in the start of the holy month. Here, basic food items are sold for cheaper than the open market.
है लेकिन रमज़ान है बच्चों के लिए ज़ाहिर बात है सौदा वगैरह लेना है उनको अफ्तारी के लिए इसलिए आए हैं कि चीज़ें तो ज़रूरतमंद ही हैं और वो तो लाजमी बच्चों को देनी है।
Lahore is one of the cities most infected by COVID-19.
नजर रखते हुए हमारे मुल्क में ना सोशल डिस्टेंस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है अगर ये रखेंगे तो कामयाब हो गए वरना ये
During the holy month of Ramadan, attendance in mosque also doubles with no respect to social distancing. Pakistan is in the midst of a third wave. The country faces an acute shortage of vaccines. In this government vaccination center, only those over the age of 50 are vaccinated.
हुकूमत को चाहिए ऐलान करे और बच्चों को भी लगवाएं। बार-बार बच्चों को कोरोना हो रहा है, मेरे बेटे को 2 दफ़ा हुआ है, दामाद को 2 दफ़ा हुआ है।
Up to 3,000 people are vaccinated per day in this center. It is the largest in Pakistan.
घंटा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वरना 20 मिनट रेस्ट करना है। It's very difficult to provide everybody this vaccine. Our demand is more than our supply actually, because it's a funded program.
Overwhelmed by the demand, authorities have allowed private laboratories to commercially sell the vaccine at a price equivalent to $80. In a country where the average monthly income is $100, the vaccine at this center is only reserved for the privileged.
Well, it's not the best solution, I think, but it might be the only solution for many people who are not getting it through government. I think it's far better than getting sick, that you spare a chunk of money and do get it.
So far, only 1.6 million people have been vaccinated in the country. At the current rate, it will take Pakistan at least 10 years to vaccinate 70% of its 220 million population.